Another fine vehicle offered by Sunnyside Certified Used Cars. This is a 2001 BMW X5, a great fit and finish. This BMW's list of numerous features includes a power seat, a moonroof, a CD player, front multi-stage airbags, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has just over 70,000 miles. It features a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Not to mention that this BMW qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this SUV in person. Sunnyside Certified Used Cars is located at 115 Daniel Webster Highway in Merrimack. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.